This video teaches you how to work with the scripts in DB2. We will cover two types of scripts, SQL and operating system scripts. SQL scripts, as we will show you soon, are fairly easy to understand, and they are platform independent, that is, they are ported with no modification between different platforms such as Windows or Linux. However, SQL scripts do not allow you to use parameters. Therefore, to really take full benefit of SQL scripts, you should combine them with operating system scripts. Let's take a look at a very basic SQL script. Assume you have created the file script1.db2. The name and extension does not matter. You can use any extension you wish. However, when working with IBM Data Studio, as I will show you later, it is better to use the SQL extension. Let's take a look at the contents of this file. As you can see, it consists of several SQL statements. Note that each statement ends with a semicolon. This is a default statement terminator in DB2. It allows DB2 to know where a given statement ends. In this example, we first connect to the sample database. Then we drop the table myTable. We create it again. These are the columns of that table. We select all the records from the table. At the end, we issue a command statement. Note that the drop table statements is included to clean things up. Adding the drop table statement will only give us an error the first time we run the script, indicating the table arfchunk that my table does not exist. Subsequent runs of the same script will run smoothly. Deleting the table arfchunk myTable first before creating it again. Including drop statements is a common practice for DBA and developers. And it's common to put them at the beginning of the script so it cleans things up. To execute the script, you can use either IBM Data Studio or the Data B2 command window on Windows or the Linux shell. To execute it from the command window or Linux shell, issue the following command: db2-t-v-f script1.db2-z script1.log. We will explain that all of this means in a few minutes. We first type db2 to invoke the db2 command line processor, which will take these options as we will describe. The -t means that there will be a terminator, and it will be the default statement terminator, the semicolon. The -v stands for verbose. It means we want to echo the statement being executed before providing the output. The -f followed by a file name, in this case script1.db2. The .z followed by a file name, in this case script1.log. Means that all the output will be logged in that file. Let's recap and let me show you all the things I've described so far. First, I opened a db2 command window. Then I can invoke any editor like Notepad. And I type script1.db2 and press enter. This will open the file as a new file. And then here I can type my script. To save time, I already typed it and copy paste in this file. So I'm going to save the file and close it. And I'm going to run it, so I'm going to do it. db2-tvf script1.db2-z script1.log. Now, you will notice that I'm using -tvf. Altogether, I could also use -t, -f, like this separated would also all work. But let me just put it back to the way I had it, and I'm going to press enter. And the script will run and it will put the output. In the file script1.log, but at the same time, it's showing me the output here. Now notice there is an error message. But this error message is expected because we are dropping a table that does not exist. This was done on purpose, statements in the beginning of the scripts, because you want to clean things up. Since you are going to create those objects again, let's take a look at the file script1.log. Which also should have the same output. So here we connected to the database, we drop the table again, we have the error message as expected, then we create a table and then we select. From the table, there are no rows in the table, we just created it. And finally, we commit, so everything is working as suspected.